whenever we get up, every day, every day, whenever we go to our workplace, we go to our schools, every day, whenever we use our mobile phones, every day before we getting up, every day when the alarm rings, we have one chance, we have one opportunity, we actually have a power of taking decision in our hand to use that opportunity to do something useful out of that or to lose it. And what most of the people do, that they don't actually take the advantage of that right or that authority in their hand to actually use that to do something. Most of the people, what they do is there is a chance whenever we use our mobile phones, whenever we get up, whenever our alarm rings, whatever it may be, we always have one chance, we always have an opportunity to take the decision to actually use that for a right purpose or to use that for a correct purpose to actually have the growth in ourselves, or we also have one opportunity of losing that. The decision is always ours, the choice is always ours. Either we can use that or either we can lose that. Many times what happens is we always know that this is not helpful for us, this will actually harm us in the longer run, but what we actually do is we never use that opportunity, or we never use that time, or we never use that to do something useful and to do something productive in our lives. But what we actually do is we always lose that opportunity, we always ignore that, and what gradually happens is we lose that. The chance is always in our hands. Like if you take the example of the time, what we actually are doing, we always have one chance whenever we get up in the morning. We always have that one chance of getting up at 6 a.m. in the morning, and we always have one chance of using that to do something productive and which can help us in our lives in the longer run. Or else if we don't take the chance, if we don't grab that opportunity very now and then we lose that. The rule of nature is very simple, either you should use that to do something good or now not only with the time, we also have the same with our brain. See, we never know this, our hands, our legs, our neck, our body, our height, to a certain level it has a limited growth. But one thing which all the people know but everyone neglects is our brain. The capacity of our brain is actually unlimited. We can develop it to such an extent which is actually undefinable. But what most of the people are doing, all those people are not using that opportunity, all of those are not using the time of developing this. Instead, they are losing the chance. We always have the chance in our hands. The only one thing is either you use it or you lose it. Plain and simple.